Founded in 2019 in Huludao, Liaoning, MG Home is a modern force in home furnishing design, R&D production, and sales. But we don't measure our strength by years alone, we measure it by what we've built. Over 14,000 square meters of standardized modern workshops, multiple intelligent production lines, both imported and domestic, working in perfect sync. We've seamlessly integrated the 5 core systems: doors, walls, cabinets by panels, and lighting, one unified flow, from raw board to finished home. Our EU accredited certification and our prominent key presence on CCTV advertising are not just badges, they are proof of our commitment, our integrity, and our unstoppable market momentum. Behind every board, every process, and every cabinet lies a foundation of strong R&D and advanced technology. Our information-driven management system enables precise order control, high precision rapid delivery, and rigorous quality assurance that show we give our dealers a competitive edge with a supply chain you can trust and a partner who delivers. The whole house customization market is vast, the future is open. Together, let's explore new paths, shape new possibilities, and rediscover the true essence of home.